Hello students, welcome in computer science class. Now in this video we will study the all programs depends upon tables. Already in last lecture we studied the all table tags means table, tr tag, th tag, td tag and all attributes related to that tags. Now see the one by one program. See the first program. See, in this program, how many cells? 6 cells are there, but each cell is separated by some space. And also in this table, border is also given. Then, in this program, which attributes is used? If distance between two cells means which attribute is used? Cell spacing. And border is also given, so border attribute is also used for table border. Now see how to write the program. See, first tag is always html, next is head tag. This head tag not compulsory, but see, title, cell spacing table slash title and end of head title. Not necessary to give the title, but I give the title cell spacing table. Now body tag. Body tag means main tag. Now all contents right under this body tag. Now first table. Table means you want to create the table. Then which tag is used for to create the table? Table. Only table. And also you want to create the border. Then table border equal to in double quotes 3. You can give any number. 1 is by default, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then border line thickness is maximum if number is maximum. Then cell spacing is equal to 30 because each cell is not attached each other. Distance between two cells is called as cell spacing. So here using cell spacing is equal to in double quotes 30. You can give also here any number. Now next is this border display in yellow color. Then here border color is equal to in double quotes directly write color name. You can give any color name, blue, black is by default, violet, red, like this. Now next, see in this table how many rows? 2 rows. Then how many tr tag is used for rows? 2 times to create the 2 times. See in this table first tr how many contents? 3 contents in this table in first row. First is td. TD means table data. First data is Sunday. Then end of slash TD. Next is Monday. Then TD Monday slash TD. And one more data is TD Tuesday slash TD. Then end of this row. After Tuesday, anyone data is there? No. Then end of row tag. Then end of row means slash tr. Then first row will be completed. Now in next row, how many contents? 3 contents. Now again create the tr. Again create the row. Then for row, use the tr tag. Tr means table row tag. Then write here tr. Then again write td. First slash td. TD second slash TD, and third one content is TD third slash TD. After third contents, no more contents after the third, so end of this row. Then end of this row means slash tr. Then 2 rows are created in this table. After this only 2 rows, then end of table because no more rows after these 2 rows. Then end of table means slash table. Then end of body tag, then slash body, and last tag is always slash html. Understand? एक काम करायचं सर्वांनी, जेव्हा मी क्वेश्चन देईल तेव्हा पहिला टेबल एका पेपरवर ड्रॉ करून घ्या आणि मग कोडिंग बघा, कारण प्रत्येक पेजमध्ये पूर्ण कोडिंग बसत नाही. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राईट HTML कोड फॉर द फॉलोइंग. आता हा टेबल बघा, या टेबलमध्ये रोज किती आहेत? हाऊ मेनी रोज? 2 रोज. पण स्टार्टिंगला काय एकच रो आहे. मग याच्यामध्ये त्या रोचं पुढं काय झालेलं आहे? स्पॅन झालेलं आहे. हाऊ मेनी रोज? कम्प्युटर सायन्स, हाऊ मेनी रोज विल बी स्पॅन? 1 and 2. विच ॲट्रिब्यूट इज यूज फॉर दिस टेबल? Row span or call span? Row span. Row span means to create the rows, how many you want, and call span means to create the columns, number of columns. Then in this program 2 rows you want to create, then use row span. Then how to write? See, starting tag is HTML as it is. Body tag, under body tag table border. Table border is equal to 3. Here cell spacing or cell padding. सेल स्पेसिंग आहे का? नाही आहे. सेल स्पेसिंग म्हणजे काय? डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू सेल्स. सेल पॅडिंग मीन्स डिस्टन्स बिटवीन ॲक्च्युअल कंटेंट्स अँड एंड border of that cell. It is called as cell padding. So here use cell padding is equal to 20. एक लक्षात ठेवा, जेव्हा तुम्ही सेल पॅडिंग यूज करता म्हणजे त्या टेबलची विड्थ इन्क्रीज होत असते. म्हणजे डिस्टन्स चारही बाजूनी, त्या सेलच्या किंवा टेबलच्या चारही बाजूनी सेम डिस्टन्स जातं, म्हणून त्या टेबलची विड्थ इन्क्रीज होते. म्हणून इथं मी सेल पॅडिंग यूज केलेले. जरी तुम्ही यूज केलं नाही तरी चालेल, पण बेटर वे तो टेबल डिस्प्ले होतो. नाउ नेक्स्ट, हाऊ मेनी रोज? 2 रोज. देन फर्स्ट रो TR. First row computer science. See, in this computer science word not display in one line. See properly, computer science word not display in one line. First display computer, below that display science. If break the sentence, then which tag is used? BR tag is used for the to display the word to next line. Now see one more thing. Remember one thing, if we use row span, then write first row contents in same row. Don't create again one more row for that. See, if we use row span attribute, then write first row contents in same row. Don't create again one more row. Now see, first create row TR, then first row computer science is there. Now computer science I want to display in heading, so TH is used. TH means table heading. How many rows after computer science? 2 rows. Then row span is equal to 2. How many rows? 2 rows. Then here write 2. Align equal to center. Align equal to center means each word in the cell display in center. So align equal to center. Angle bracket complete. Then which word to span the rows? Computer science. Then write computer, but science word below the display computer. Then write here BR. Then write science and end of table heading means /th. Understand? ज्या वर्डचं तुम्हाला रो स्पॅन किंवा कॉल स्पॅन करायचं आहे त्याच रोला किंवा TD असेल TH असेल तिथेच तुम्ही रो स्पॅन किंवा कॉल स्पॅन लिहायचे. नाउ आत्ताच मी सांगितले, जेव्हा तुम्ही रो स्पॅन यूज करता त्याच रोला पहिल्या रोचे कंटेंट्स लिहायचे. सी TD फर्स्ट रोचे कंटेंट काय आहेत? व्हॉट आर द कंटेंट्स? पेपर 1, पेपर 2, टोटल 3 contents are there. Then TD means table data. Align is equal to center. Then angle bracket complete. Paper 1 and /TD. Next line, TD align equal to center. Paper 2 /TD. and last content is TD, align equal to center, angle bracket complete, total slash TD. After total, no more content, so end of this row. End of this row means slash TR. Now next row which contents will be displayed? 100, 100, 200. Again, don't write the computer science. Remember this thing. Already here written the TH row span is equal to 2. If row span is equal to 2, then automatically this computer science word display between these two rows centrally. Now next row, TR. TR means table row. TD, align equal to center, 100, then slash TD. Next is TD, align equal to center, 100 slash TD. TD, align equal to center, complete the angle bracket, 200 slash TD. And after 200, no more content, so end of that row, that is slash TR. Then complete the table means slash table, then body tag, and then end of HTML tag. Complete the coding. Now next coding is, see the next table. See this table properly. बघा, ह्या टेबलमध्ये मी फक्त एकाच रोला मी काय केलेलं आहे, कलर दिलेला आहे. आणि हाऊ मेनी रोज? 1 2 3 4 rows are there. Okay, in these 4 rows, but columns are 5. In this table, asked in board paper so many times, so this table is very 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 important. See how to write the coding. First see the year. Yearच्या नंतर किती कॉल स्पॅन झालेले? 3. पण first see the these blank space. These are the blank space. How many rows and columns including this blank space? 2 rows and 2 columns. See one more. These blank space. How many rows and columns accommodated these blank space? 2 rows and 2 columns. Now see how to write the coding. See properly. First create the HTML. Then after HTML, body tag. Under body tag, see table border as usually. कारण border तर आहेच, म्हणून table border is equal to 2. Cell padding is equal to 30. Here not use cell spacing because each cell join each other. So cell padding is used. Now next, first row will be create. How many rows in this program? 4 rows. Then 4 times tr tag is used. Now in first row, table row, first row is create. But in this first row, first write the coding for these blank space. Remember this, these blank space. How to write this? These blank space accommodated 2 rows and 2 columns. See, th, table heading, then row span is equal to 2 and col span is equal to 2. This statement is right for these blank space. Now next is th, col span is equal to 3. आता याच्यामध्ये इयरला बॅकग्राऊंड कलर दिला आहे. विच ॲट्रिब्यूट इज यूज फॉर बॅकग्राऊंड कलर? BG कलर इज इक्वल टू रेड. आणि इयरचं काय झालेलं आहे? कॉल स्पॅन झाले. कितीमध्ये? 3मध्ये. सो इन दिस स्टेटमेंट राईट TH कॉल स्पॅन इज इक्वल टू 3, BG कलर इज इक्वल टू रेड, and angle bracket complete, year slash TH. Okay, now in this coding already I told if row span is used, then first row contents write in same row, then after year no more contents, so end of this row, then end of this row means slash tr. Again I told if row span is there, then first row is right, first row contains right in same row. Now next row contents will be 3 contents. Then create again tr th. Here I use th tag. Th means table heading. If table heading is used, then that content display in bold. Then th 2000 slash th 2000 slash th, and again th 2000 slash th. Here mistake will be, instead of 2000 write here 2001, instead of 2000 write here 2002. Then end of slash tr. Now two rows are completed. Now third row, but in third row again a row span is used. How many rows are created? 2 rows for cells. Then in third row, see cells. In third row, tr means table row. Next th means table heading. How many rows you want? 2 rows. Then row span is equal to, in double quotes, 2. Angle bracket complete. Then write cells and then end of slash th. Then after this, here row span is used. Then first row all contents in same row. Then th units slash th. Then td means table data. 500 end of slash td. Next td 1000 end of slash td. Next content is td 1500 end of slash td. Then end of this row. Then end of this row means slash tr. Now for next row means income row, again create the one more row for display the income. Then again write tr, then th income slash th, because income and units display in bold automatically. Now next is td rupees 5000 end of slash td. td rupees 10,000 end of slash td. td rupees 15,000 end of slash td. End of row. End of row means slash tr. After this table is completed, then end of slash table. End of body tag means slash body. End of slash html. Now next table is, see this table properly. Only 2 rows are there. First row, in first row display college word. This word display in h1. h1 means heading tag, and also display in center. Now in next row, first line just display in principal. After principal, bullets means which list tag is used here, unordered list, and which type, dix type. But dix type is display in by default, so not necessary to use the type attribute, it is automatically display. But in this row use unordered list. Then first is vice principal, then next line professor, then next line non-teaching staff, and last line. See, for more details click here. This click here display in blue word with underline. Means what is the meaning of this blue word and underline? Because if over mouse pointer over this click here, then display another file. See what is the question. The words click here act or hyperlink to next page whose address is c:/my_document/a1.html. Means if click here is click, then which file is open? c:/my_documents a1.html. What is the file name of this hyperlinking file? a1.html. Also, if hyperlinking file, first create the hyperlinking file and save same as .html. Now see the coding. First tag is html. Then how many rows in this? 2 rows. Then under body tag, table border is equal to 3, width is equal to 50%. Width means to increase the size of table. So here use width. Now first tr means table row will be created. Then first row display only college word but h1 and center. Then write here h1 align is equal to center. Then complete the angle bracket. Then write here word college end of slash hn. Then end of row. Then slash tr. Now in this next row use how to write this next row. See properly. First create the row means table row, tr is used. Under this second row use td. If tr is used then every contents write in td tag, but after td write the principal means ul tag. Ul tag under ul tag write first principal, but for principal use p tag. P tag means which tag? Paragraph tag, because principal is not display in bullet, so here use only p tag then slash pi, not use li tag. But after this principal display vice principal, professors, non-teaching staff in disk type. So write here li. Li means list item, it is by default display in disk type. Then li vice principal slash li. Next is li principal slash li. Sorry, here instead of this principal write here professor. Next is li non-teaching staff slash li. And last one is here unordered list is completed. So end of this unordered list means slash ul. Now next line display for more details, click here. Now for this use again paragraph tag. P tag for more details and give the hyperlinking for click here word. So write, see how to write this. A. For a hyperlinking use anchor tag. If anchor tag is used, always use href attribute. Href means hypertext reference. Then A space href is equal to give the path for your file where it is stored. Then C colon slash my document slash a1.html double quotes will be completed. Angle bracket is complete. Which word you want to click hyperlinking, click here. After that write that word means here write click here. Then end of anchor tag means slash a and end of paragraph tag means slash p. Complete the row means end of table data and then end of second row means slash tr. Then after this slash table and slash body and end of html tag. See, and last table in this video, see this table properly. Serial number, student name. After the student name, two rows are accommodated: student name, serial name and total. Marks obtained. Marks obtained again divided into three columns, and serial number, student name, total display between these two rows. Then how to write this? And in this table also background color will be given green. Then what is the coding? See how many rows? 5 rows are there. See first row, this one second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. Then how many times you want to tr tag? 5 times. See the first tag is html. After html here give head, heading tag. Heading tag means under heading tag title tag is used. Title means to display the title on title bar. See here title merit list slash title. Then end of head tag means end of head section. Now in body tag will be start. Under body tag write the first table border. Table border by default color is black. So table border is equal to 4. Here table background color. What is the background color? Light green. So which attribute is used? bg color. bg color is equal to, in this HTML, color spelling is COLOR. Don't write COLOUR. Remember this. bg color is equal to, in double quotes, directly specify the color name. See here, light green. Then display light green. Then end of first row. First create row tr tag. Then first row th row span. How many rows? See here, serial number, student name and total. These word accommodated in 2 rows. Then this heading give the th row span is equal to 2 serial number slash th. Next th same row span is equal to 2 student. Below student write name. Then here br tag is used. Br tag means to break the sentence. Display in next line. So here use br student br name slash th. And next see. Now next is marks obtained. Marks obtained again divided into 3 columns, but in this see th row span. So instead of this row span, write here col span. Remember, instead of this row span, write here col span. Don't write row span. Row col span is equal to 3 marks obtained. Then end of heading tag. And last one is th row span is equal to 2 total slash th. End of slash tr. First row will be completed. Now in second row, which contents are displayed? Only test 1, test 2, test 3. See the first second row will be created tr. Then heading also here also use th, means heading tag for table. First test 1, second one is again create th test 2 slash th, and third is th test 3 end of slash th. Then end of second row. In second row only 3 contents will be displayed: test 1, test 2, test 3. Now in third row display first number td first end of slash td, td Sachin end of slash td, td 150 end of slash td, td 150 end of slash td, and td 150 end of slash td end of, and last one is td 450 end of slash td. After this 450 no more content, so here third row will be completed. Then end of third row, that is slash tr. Always remember, in tr, if tr is created, then contents will be written in right to left to right side, not one by one below, left to right side. So automatically columns will be created. Now in second fourth row tr will be created, same here, same coding, only contents will be different. In second fourth row td second slash td, then td name will be puja slash td. Third is see here td 130 slash td, td 130 slash td, td 131 slash td, and last one is td 391 slash td. No more contents after the 391. Then end of row, that is slash tr. Now last row is create table row. Again one more row will be created tr. Then after tr td 3 slash td, td asma slash td. Third one is td 125 slash td, td 115 slash td, and td 120 slash td. and last more content is td360/td. End of this row, that is /tr. Then end of table /table. End of body tag /body, and last content is end of /html. Bye.